Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine it's 2 a.m. You're lying awake again, staring at the ceiling because that one massive money decision, the $250,000 job switch, the property purchase, or the business expansion, has you completely gripped by fear. Your chest feels tight. Your mind races through endless what if scenarios, and you wonder if you'll ever break free from this cycle. If you're a high earning leader, a VP, a founder, a director who closes multi-million dollar deals for everyone else but freezes on your own money moves, then this story is yours. I'm Donna Onchel, your trauma-informed money coach. And I know this path intimately because I've guided leaders just like you out of it. Every single day you delay action costs you precious time, and it costs you money, and it costs you freedom. But today, we're changing that narrative together. So stay with me through every moment of this video because, my friend, your breakthrough is unfolding as we speak. Raise your hand if you're nowhere near the financial life you know you deserve, where that six-figure income feels more like a beautiful trap than the freedom that you initially imagined it would be. You build your success on hustle, detailed spreadsheets, and sheer willpower. But those same habits are now chaining you in place. Opportunities are slipping away while resentment builds towards your own bank account. Deep down, you hold beliefs like, I'm just indecisive. I need even more data. Or, if I push harder, it will resolve itself. Let me be direct with you. Those beliefs have already stolen months, if not years, of your life. They strain your family relationships and dim your team's energy. What brought you in this far simply won't carry you forward. And there's a core belief that's holding you back, that's not serving your highest potential. And if I don't help you shatter it in this video, I would be doing you a profound disservice because you are far too capable to remain trapped in this suffering. Let's start questioning those beliefs right now and let's step into your truth. Okay, let me tell you exactly what this looks like in the lives of women I work with so you can see your own reflection. Let's picture Sabrina, the tech VP facing a $250,000 deal. Her jaw clenched for weeks in unrelenting agony. Her nervous system was locked in protection mode from old scars of scarcity, shame, and loss. In your own life, it unfolds like this. You open the offer email and your heart starts pounding very, very rapidly. And you close the tab once more. You caught in fight responses ranting online. Fight avoidance that postpones everything. Freeze stares at unbearable numbers or people-pleasing yeses that lead straight to burnout. Your brilliant nervous system is working overtime to shield you, but it's draining your energy, stalling your life, and costing you real dollars through missed raises, missed investment, and a legacy that's slipping further out of reach with every later. Do you feel that urgency rising in you? That's the signal that this pain demands immediate action, not sometimes in the unknown future, but today. Now let's confront the lies head on, because true clarity comes from dismantling what you thought you knew. You might believe that more analysis will finally lead to better decisions, but without a foundation of safety, it only breeds deeper paralysis. You will end up telling yourself, I'm the problem here, when in reality, it's your under-resourced body crying out for support. How many of you are sitting here right now seriously desiring to make that pivotal big move and fully willing to do whatever it takes to get there? Nod to yourself and agree with me. Yes, that's you. Here's what I know firsthand to be true. Sometimes whatever it takes feels difficult. Not because it's essentially hard, but because it's profoundly different from the endless, looping, and forced courage you relied on so far. Nothing in your life becomes truly dynamic until it becomes crystal clear. And your old approach is a dead end road. Give yourself permission to release it and follow through as I'm guiding you towards the freedom you've been chasing. Let me share with you my journey and why I'm confident you can relate to me and you can trust me without hesitation. I started in a shelter. My hands were shaking uncontrollably over simple bills as my body stayed locked in survival mode. Today, I've transformed that pain into purpose, freeing leaders like you and myself to achieve calm closes on over $250,000 pivots, boost team retention to 68%, and step into unshakable clarity. My approach isn't generic advice or empty hype. It's battle tested, trauma informed roadmaps that prioritize safety first, ensuring decisions not only happen but stick for the long haul. Clients trust me because I deliver real, lasting results every single time, and I'm here to do the same for you. Okay, lean in closer. This is the path forward that leads you to clarity, peace of mind, and financial roadmaps that meet you where you are. I want you to imagine 3 tailored paths designed specifically to end your suffering: starter, growth, and legacy. Each building from body safety to razor sharp clarity and decisive action. These spots are filled by high earners who recognize the urgency. So listen carefully and choose wisely before it's too late. In the starter roadmap, over 3 powerful sessions, we eliminate the freeze that's blocking your immediate shifts. Like, let's say, tackling that pressing debt or accepting a game-changing offer. We begin by naming the exact knot in your body, say that tight chest signaling freeze, and we'll also use tools to help you drop the panic instantly. From here, we untangle the hidden decisions masquerading as one. We will model practical scenarios around cash and time and craft a micro plan that gets you moving. The outcome is profound. One decision resolved, endless mental loop silence forever, but miss this window and you're sentencing yourself to months of more wasted energy. The growth roadmap targets those capacity crashing blocks, such as deciding to hire or pivoting roles. And this expands over 5 sessions. This roadmap incorporates boundary scripts and team impact modeling. One client reclaimed 20 hours a week and accelerated her career trajectory. You can choose to delay here, and your growth potential simply comes to an end. Finally, the legacy roadmap. Through 10 sessions, we reshape your next big move. Whether you're buying property, you're planning an exit, or restructuring family finances, we will work with custom tools and help you through your values alignment. After working with me, a client emerged with her family thriving when it comes to their money, and she has 0 lingering regrets. You can't skip this, and your legacy drifts irreversibly out of reach. To bring this alive for you, let's walk through a real growth map client story. The $200,000 business expansion that mirrored the exact pain you're feeling right now. In our first session, we identified her tight chest as a classic freeze response and locked in safety with trauma-informed tools, establishing a baseline she could rely on moving forward. Session 2 and 3 stripped away the lies, like, I'm just gonna fail like they did. We used our 3-layer check. First the body, then pure facts, then finally the deeper meaning. By session 4, we mapped out scenario A for yes with firm boundaries and scenario B for strategic no, letting her body cast the deciding vote. In her final session, we built her if yes, then hire immediately plan. We role-played the key conversations and watched it execute flawlessly. She chose yes without a hint of spiral afterward. That seamless freedom is waiting for you too, but only if you take the first step and act on it. As your story reveals, you are not someone who remains stuck. You are the decisive leader who masterfully resources her body to secure massive wins. Those old beliefs, they shatter now. They're replaced by the empowering truth that you create clear, lasting moves from a place of deep safety. I encourage you to embrace this identity fully, feel the urgency building within you, and step forward to claim what is rightfully yours. I know the resistance whispers, I'm too busy for this. But tell me this, haven't you been busier trapped in freeze mode until now? Or you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not quite ready. Pain like yours never ripens in waiting. It only deepens. Be honest with yourself. This is precisely the freedom that you said you wanted. Every moment of delay means watching others surge ahead while you remain stuck in loops. Trust the process that has liberated women just like you. Don't let hesitation rob you of this transformation. Right now, start reclaiming your free 15 minutes money clarity call with me to name your specific pain, match it to the perfect roadmap, and dissolve all doubt in one focused conversation. Don't wake up tomorrow still stuck when freedom was this close. Click the link in the description below to book the call with me today. Also, I'm going to invite you to drop a comment below with your dominant state. Are you flight, fight, freeze, or fawn? And I'll reply personally to keep you moving. And hit the like and subscribe button for weekly breakthroughs and answers to your body's urgent call. Your roadmap awaits. Go secure it now.